There are many ways to add a series to a chart. We're going to show 3 ways. There's our preferred way and then a couple of shortcuts. So our preferred way, at the moment you'll see this chart is just using that data there. Our preferred way is you right click on the chart and you'll see an item here called select data. When I click on it, what this brings up is it shows you the cells it's looking at and even specifies exactly what each series is. So this bill 1, if I say edit, you'll see it specifies where it gets the name and where it gets the data. In this area, we could remove it. We can add the other series, and that's our preferred way. So I'm going to add it because I can specify the name. So I can either type a name or link it to a cell and the value. So I'm going to say equals to these cells here. And you'll see it automatically puts it in, but I can say OK. And you've now added the series, but you can control so the label doesn't have to be right there. Notice as well you've got some arrows here. So if you don't like the series order, you actually want these to switch around. I just go here, click on say build 2, do the up arrow, and you'll see it switches it around. So let's go back. So that's one way to do it. I'm just going to undo. The second way to do it is you'll notice when you click on a chart, these colored boxes appear. So probably the easiest way then is to just hover over here, get that cursor, click and drag to the right, and you'll see it automatically puts it on. Obviously these have to be next to each other, then the data needs to be right adjacent to each other. I'm just going to click undo. And the last way we'll show you is I highlight that data, I copy it with a Control C, I click on the chart, and I'm going to paste it with a Control V. And you'll see it puts it straight into the chart. So those are 3 ways. Our preferred way though is you right click, select data, and control each aspect of adding the series.